Here's a tutorial for Arabesque Section 1 of sliding scale. So after the intro, you're landing here in this position, and you're gonna go, this is on 8, and you go 1, 2, look to the right, 3, 4, 5, 6 to the left, 7, 8, and that's where you're walking towards Kira. So again, from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And now here on 1, you're gonna smack your hand. You're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that there is a part of the ray to change croisés. So you're gonna step on your back foot, 1, 2, 3, just like that. And now you're gonna step onto your back foot here and do the rond de jambe to the back. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Now from here, you're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So again, a little faster here. We're going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.